Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to suggest a change on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So after you connect to your or log into your GitHub account, you need just to go to repository and then you will need to go to pull request. And basically on any request or issue, you can suggest your own changes. So basically all we need to do is to go to comments or just go to conversation and you can add your own comments and you can suggest your changes. Otherwise, if we have our own new pull request, so let's just create new one. So I'm going just to branch so I can create a new pull request. So basically now I need to create this new request, and here you can add your own changes or you can add your own suggestion. So basically all you need to do is to add your own things, or you can just click on view and here you can add your own suggestions. So basically I suggest, or you can write whatever you want. You will need just to start a review or add single comments, and here you will have your own suggestion, and then you will need just to wait for the review to end. So basically because I'm the only one owning this repository, so I can submit this review, and as you can see it will be added here in this conversation, and you can do this for as many time as you want. And as you can see there is only I'm the reviewer, and you can do this again as many as you want. So basically you can quote the reply, you can resolve the conversation, etc. So basically this is how you can suggest a change on GitHub. Thank you for watching and see you next time.